look at some examples where we're actually going to solve these equations using that zero product property. So all of these are in what we called factored form, which the next unit will actually be looking at how to factor. But these are already there. So looking at this first one, I see that I have 2x times x minus 4 equals 0. I kind of think there's a multiplication sign in there. So I have two things, and they multiply to get to 0. And so I know from my zero product property, if two things multiply to get to 0, then that means either the first factor is 0 or the second factor. So to solve this, I'm going to split this into two equations. I'm going to take my first thing being multiplied, my 2x, and I'm going to set it to 0. And then I'm going to take my second factor, my x minus 4, and set that equal to 0. And now I'm going to solve both of these equations. So I'm going to end up with two different answers. So solving this first one, I'm going to divide 2 from both sides. And I get 0, because 0 divided by 2 is 0. I'm going to solve the second one, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I get x is equal to 4. So my answers here are actually going to be 0 and 4. So I took my two factors, set them both equal to 0, and then I solved them. And it's always good practice to go ahead and check your work. So if I plug in 0 here, I have 2 times 0, 0 minus 4. Well, 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. 0 times negative 4 is 0. So I'm good. If I plug in 4, I get 2 times 4. 4 minus 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. And I get 0. So I'm good. Okay, let's look at another one. So now I have x minus 3 times x minus 9 is equal to 0. So I'm going to first split this into two equations. So I'm going to take my first factor, x minus 3, and set that equal to 0. I'm going to take my second factor, x minus 9, set that equal to 0. Then I'm going to solve both. So add 3 to both sides. Add 9 to both sides. And so I get x equals 3 or 9. If I plug those in, 3 minus 3, I get 0. 0 times anything is 0, so I'm good there. If I plug in 9, I get 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 times anything is 0, so I'm good. Okay, let's try another one. This one has a little bit more steps to it. So I'm going to first split this into two equations. So I'm going to take my first factor, set it equal to 0. Take my second factor, set it equal to 0. And now I'm going to solve both. So for this first one, to solve it, I need to subtract 5 from both sides first. And then divide by 3. So get s is equal to negative 5/3. Next one, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. And then divide by 5. So I get s is equal to negative 8/5. So here, my two answers will be s equals negative 5/3 or negative 8/5.